Austin here. It's 2 o'clock. Yeah, everything's all right.
Okay. You check in again at 6.
All right.
You move and I'll cut your neck, pig. Who else is in the house?
The aunt's upstairs.
And the girl? Your mummy wants to see you, Lucy.
What do you mean you don't have enough men? I don't want to hear that. Those roadblocks stay. And you check every car that's got a kid in it. Yeah, I got the authority. You can go to the commissioner for all I care, pal. Don't they know what's going on here?
Austin has come out of surgery.
When can he talk?
They can't say.
2 men by his bed, beside it. He's sized. I want to know about it.
Okay.
Good morning.
Where the hell have you been? Anything?
Whatever happened to thank you? Thank you for getting here so quickly.
Listen, you want to spend your day off murdering grouse in the country, that's your business. They could be anywhere by now.
Hey, Lieutenant, slow down. It's me, Makepeace, your partner.
All hell is breaking loose here, partner.
Where's Vikings?
Fighting for his life in court.
Is this her?
Yeah. Lucy Bailey. 11 years old.
Pretty.
They're animals. We've been at this since 6 o'clock this morning. No messages, no sightings, no nothing.
Well, they're not going to want to move her around much, not at her age.
What'd the judge say?
We got the adjournment. 2 days. But when the daughter of your star witness is abducted the night before the trial, His Honor is not impressed.
What about Burton?
Sat in the dock, looking the picture of innocence. All smug and untouchable. Took me nearly 4 years to get that bastard Burton before the courts. One of the biggest drug dealers in this city. And when
Mother's here, Gov. She wants to see you.
Where is she?
Interview room.
Might help if I come with you.
They wouldn't hurt her, would they? They couldn't.
We'll get her back, Mrs. Bailey.
The hearing's been adjourned for 2 days. That gives us some time.
And if you haven't got her by then?
We keep adjourning.
Until they kill her? I'm not giving evidence.
That would make matters worse.
No. No, I'm going to tell the judge it was all lies. I was put up to it.
You can't do that.
Now, listen, Mrs. Bailey, very carefully. If you change your testimony and Burton walks free, the chances for Lucy are slim. Now, as long as we have Burton, we have a chance.
They have my daughter. I am going to give them what they want.
Austin has come up with a positive ID on his assailant.
Who is it?
A guy named Eddie Dean. Hell. You know him?
Small, dark, ex-commando. Nutter of the first order.
Now, this isn't the same guy that blew up the ferry boat.
That's the one.
Hey, sounds like a fun guy.
Oh, that poor child.
All right. I want you two to find Dean. And I don't care how you do it. You have open authorization from me to do whatever is necessary. No restrictions. You have 2 days.
Hi, you guys.
Nice moving, Ricky.
Yeah, man, got greased lightning on my wheels.
Why don't you put some of it on your tongue, Mr. Grant?
Rude.
What?
Ricky Rude. Changed my name by deed poll.
Cute.
I know, and the girls love it.
Not this one. We're looking for Eddie Dean.
Who?
Hey, he's got a habit. You deal in his neighborhood, so don't mess me around. You ever tried skating in a cell? Really makes your turns perfect.
Man, you gotta give me some time. You just gotta wait.
Sure. We've got till tomorrow.
There's no way you're gonna find Eddie. Guys, I got a shift. Bye.
Now listen, no more cool jive. This is important. It's special, okay? Look at me. Look at me. I can do anything I want on this. It's official. You get my drift?
Okay.
Okay, then you think hard and you think real fast, because I'm getting edgy.
Keith. Keith's somebody. But he's not good to you.
Why's that?
The man's banged up.
This guy like to drive American cars, wear a feather in his hair?
Yeah, that's him.
Lyman?
Lyman. That's the guy.
All right, Ricky, go make your appointment.
I'll get out. And I'll have you.
Well, if there's one person in the entire world that is not going to want to help us find Eddie Dean, it's Lyman.
You never know.
Who would have thought?
So he's been the model inmate, eh?
He's even been transferred to a medium security prison.
Smart. It's a wonder nobody's lived to regret it yet.
Glowing reports from the social workers, the lot.
How long has he got left?
Another 7, maybe 4 with good behavior.
This could be a break for us.
Oh, sure. I can see it now. You walk in there. Hi, Lyman. Nice cell you've got here. Having a good time? Well, we just want you to do a little favor for us.
There are ways. I know how he thinks.
How can you know a man who's totally unpredictable? And probably a psychopath?
We gotta use him.
Dempsey, we're trying to save a little girl's life. Not
what?
Not pursue some personal vendetta of yours. You've got a thing about this guy. Now, you and he are trouble, and you know it.
The only thing I know is that there's a little girl who's got maybe, just maybe, 24 hours left. And we got nothing. Except Lyman.